Hi everyone, welcome back. In the previous video we have learned about the initialization of the fast feature detector type. Also we compared this fast feature detector with the other feature detection types we have already learned, and in this video we are gonna focus to the member function, the parameters which this class includes. Okay, we can switch to the code part. Actually, this was the code from the previous video. We simply were just make an initialization of this fetch feature detector, and you see there are many redundant detections in here which is not needed. Actually, some is needed, of course. So maybe we are gonna learn with the parameters. Also maybe we can eliminate these unnecessary detected circles. Okay, and we can go to the, okay, just split here. So these are our parameters, which is threshold, non-maximum suppression, and the type. We can start with the easiest one, which is threshold, and the most important one. So here all we need to do is just the most important one. You need to do all the setting things inside the create function, or you need to do after before the detect function is called, so otherwise it's gonna ignore. Okay, just call, let's say, set threshold. So also, but we need to learn what is the default one. So the easiest one, just console out that one, which is gonna get threshold. Okay, and before setting the new one, also I want to see the key point size, so I can also see at least how many key points are detected with our modifications, just size. So now we see only the default parameters, the 152 key points are detected, and also our threshold default is 10. So now what we can do is just set the threshold to a newer value, which is, let's say, 50, which is 5 times higher than the default, and see now the key points, number of key points detected decreased into the 44 from 152, and also clearly you see these redundant circles are disappeared, and only the only the correct corners are detected now. Yeah, so with the threshold actually we get what we need. But now let's talk about the other ones, which is this non-maximum suppression. I think this is default, it should be true, and let's see. Yeah, this is defaultly true. What actually this is doing, this is even you see many detected here. If you do not non-maximum suppression, it's gonna detect more. What it's actually doing, you can keep in mind, it's just making filtering. For example, this is detected, right? Not to detect very close to this detected circle, it's making some kind of algorithms behind, and at least you can understand that just by making it false, you are gonna see the noise number is gonna increase. So just make this false and see how it's dramatically increased. For example, 152 detected before, now 853, and if you zoom anywhere, yeah, you see the overlapping circles are really much. Okay, this is doing that job. And the last one is the type. This is important for in the case of if you are dealing some detailed things, otherwise it's not gonna be really important. And let's see, get type and see what is the default type. Okay, the default type is 2, which is the equal to this enumeration. Well, this is gonna basically in the it's gonna be drawing a circle, which is, let's say, the radius of this circle 9, and in this area in the image, in this 9 radius pixel area is gonna try to search 16 pixels to decide if a point is a corner or not. Okay, I explained. Yeah, so similarly, if you only make 5, the radius is 5, which is gonna be really detailed checking, and in that case it's gonna try to very detail very small pixels or very small objects. Is gonna search the corners. So these are you can keep in mind, these are for the details for very small things, really small, let's say 5 pixels, 5 pixels array we were talking, of course, and in that case this can be meaningful to use. Otherwise the default one is gonna do mostly what you need. Okay, even we don't need to try that. The default is now we need. If we make with this, since there is no really detailed things in my image, we can try. So my expectation, we will see nothing. Set type and the detector type this. Okay, just copy this and this one. Let's see. It's once 0, so it means there are no if I put some dots here, maybe it's gonna recognize, but for now, yeah, around this also, yeah, okay, it's not cannot find. But let's try with the 7. Maybe with this it's gonna find some. Yeah, not like the with previously 152, now we see 131. Yeah, but at least it can find. But yeah, I think you got the point. So for this video, simply I'm done. I just wanted to talk about this member functions and the parameters, how they are affecting the results. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.